Okay, so it's May 5th, 2025, and I just bought a 2DS. I'll put the listing up. This cost me like $100 something. It was pretty cheap. But then again, just a few years ago, actually like 5 now, but still you could have gone like one of these for like $80 brand new with a game. Now basically I had a like 2DS, new 2DS XL. It was like a Pikachu edition, but I sold that. And now I just bought this so I could still play games. Um, but I don't have to like, I'm not just gonna have an extra. I could just get a bunch of extra money because like I don't personally care about the special edition. Now I'm gonna mod this. Of course I'll only play games I own. Alright bro, we opened it. Wow, this is some great packaging, man. They just threw newspaper in here. Awesome. Alright, here's the charger. Pretty cool stuff. Just a basic charger. Here is the 2DS itself. Whoa, it's so comfortable. I don't even have it out yet. Now I have used the 2DS, but like I haven't actually owned one for like ever. Like, okay, wow, this is very comfortable. Now there is a scratch right up there if you can see it in the top screen. That was shown in the listing. I'm not like mad about it. It does come with the stylus. There isn't an SD card, but that's fine because I have one. Alright, let me just put this in. Is it like that way? Okay, there we go. Now let's see if it has any power. Boom. Oh, we have power. Nintendo 2DS. Select a language. English. Like it's a spring day with birds chirping and I'm setting up a 2DS. Peak life experience right here. Boom. It's currently 11:45. There we go. Name. Boom. Birthday, I'll put my real one, I guess. I am American. I'm not saying my state because I ain't leaking that. Internet, that can wait. I don't know, that might like mess up modding or something. I don't need parental controls. I don't need to know a bit more. Let's go. Boom. Put the stylus away. The theme shop has opened. Isn't it closed now though? I can't lie, this is always nostalgic, bro. My theme, we'll go blue. Now guys, I'm gonna mod this. So when I see you next, this will be modded. Alright guys, basically, some modding has been done. Let me just turn down this volume real quick. I watched a video where I think it was KevDog something. I'll link it in the description. It was very helpful on how to mod this because I've never modded a 3DS before. Definitely check it out. It was very good. It was just super straightforward. And if there's something that like it wasn't shown in the video, you could just use common sense pretty much to figure it out. But hey, I'm not responsible for what you do. You can brick your system, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, so basically I got some apps. I got some stupid apps like Wordle, DS. And yeah, basically I got the 8 shop, right? So I got this game, right? New Super Mario Bros. 2. Now guys, legally guys, make sure you only get games you own the physical copy of, as you can see. So yes. So yeah, basically you could just use the 8 shop to buy games you own and stuff. And just have them digitally so you don't get carried around. And yeah, so the 3DS, 2DS has been modded. It's really cool. I'm probably going to do a video later when I get even more stuff. And I'm going to be like, what's on my modded 2DS, okay? So stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, I definitely recommend buying a 2DS because it's the cheapest way to get into the 3DS library. It's really comfortable. It's really great for gaming. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Okay, guess we doing